Hi! In front of me is Realme 9 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation on this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for auto rotate icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's white. That means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. But you can also go into device settings and choose display and brightness over here. Following that, scroll down and click on the switcher next to auto rotate feature. If the switcher is gray, that means that auto rotation is off. In order to turn it on, just click on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!